Hey guys, what's going on? Danny J here again, coming at you again from Danny J Bedside Studio. So I was on the internet today, and I came across something that was a bit terrifying to me. It seems that in the Arctic there's a strange sound coming from the bottom of the ocean, off the shores of the island of Igloolik. And it's actually scaring away the wildlife. The whales are fleeing, the sea lions are fleeing, any other sea life that might be there are fleeing, and we don't know what's going on. I, Danny J, am going to figure this out. Danny J will travel to the island of Igloolik. I'll stand at the icy shore and look out at the water. And I know I can't do it alone, so I'll call my friend the orca. I'll use my powerful voice to summon him. Orca! Oh, orca! I need your help! And I say, orca, my friend, do you hear that sound coming from the depths? Do you mind if I ride your back? And that orca nods his big orca head. I climb upon his back. I grab upon his dorsal fin and I take a giant breath. I take a giant breath. And down we adventure down into the depths, down into the depths. We're swimming down, I can hear that hum. There's a light at the bottom of the sea. I can see it shining up at me. What could it be? There's a light at the bottom of the sea. It's getting brighter as we go down. My breath is getting not as good holding as I could before, because I've been underwater now for a long time. And as we see the light shining up from the bottom and the noise is deafening and my whale is getting a little nervous. And I say, hold on, whale, we can figure this out. And then I see the source of the sound.